Hey there everyone, how's it going? In this video, we are going to share 5 programming project ideas that are great to add to your resume, portfolio, or just for fun. These projects are great because they have a lot of what employers look for in a project, and they can be done at different levels of difficulty. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced, you can take a look at these great project ideas and make them as complex as you want. So, let's get started. Project idea number 1 is to create a tool that takes in 1 or 2 or even 3 inputs and outputs useful information about it. For example, you could make a web page where you can type in the URL of a YouTube video and a word, and the tool will tell you how many times the word was said in the video. You would use NLP, Natural Language Processing, or maybe an ML package to make this work. Another idea, without using ML or AI, is to create a tool that turns code snippets into pretty pictures. You put in the code and the tool creates a nice picture that you can share on social media. You can host it using AWS or Google Cloud Platform and use it for anything, like a tweet that becomes a quote picture with a tweeter's profile picture. The possibilities are endless, and it's a cool project that anyone can understand and use in the future. Alright, moving on to project idea number 2. This one is about creating an algorithm or a data structure visualizer. You can show off your front-end or CSS skills if you want, or keep it simple and focus on the algorithmic complexity. This project has a lot of wow factor, and you can add creative elements like sound to make it even cooler. The added benefit is that you'll learn a lot about the algorithm or data structure you're visualizing. Project idea number 3. Create a bot that listens to external data 24/7 and does something in response. For example, there's a Twitter account that tweets every time Elon Musk's private jet takes off or lands. It probably uses public flight transportation data and generates an action according to certain triggers. While this case is a little creepy, it's also pretty cool from a tech perspective. You can make a bot that tweets about anything, like someone posting a job advertisement on LinkedIn, a YouTube video being uploaded, or a stock price dropping below a certain level. You don't have to use Twitter, but it's a good platform for this. This is a cool project idea that other people will enjoy and be impressed by when you've built it. And the best part is, it's easy to understand. Project idea number 4 is to create a simple data aggregation tool or web page, like CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a popular crypto website that lists information about thousands of cryptocurrencies. It shows the 24-hour and 7-day price action, volume, and rankings of all the cryptocurrencies. You could replicate CoinMarketCap or make it unique by hard-coding the name or usernames of 20 top tech YouTubers and showing data about them. This project is easy to interact with. Simply share the URL with a recruiter or put it on your resume or a LinkedIn. Project idea number 5 is to recreate a popular game with a twist, such as Wordle, 2048, Flappy Bird, or Snake. For example, in 2048, you could make it use powers of 3 instead of 2. In Wordle, you could use only programming or science-related lingo. For Flappy Bird, you could add options to increase or decrease gravity. This project can be fun to develop and play, and it shows creativity and skill, as some games are not easy to create. We hope you found the ideas we shared helpful. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's plenty of room for creativity and varying levels of difficulty. Give them a try and let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you have other project ideas, feel free to share them with everyone. For those looking to enhance their programming skills, check out our video on how to become a good programmer. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video.